Homemade shampoos with recipes for all hair types, concluding part. Hello, welcome to JTC Health. Please like and subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon. Today I will be showing you homemade shampoos with recipes for all hair types, conclusion. Continued from part 1. Homemade shampoo for hair growth and minimizing hair loss. 2. Baking soda shampoo. This shampoo may seem quite simple to make but is ideal for enhancing hair volume and reduce hair loss. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 or 2 cups of water, 1 glass bowl. In a bowl, pour the given quantity of water. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the water and mix thoroughly. Apply the shampoo and massage well into the scalp. Rinse thoroughly and deep condition your hair after washing them. Homemade shampoo for shiny hair. If dull and lifeless hair is your problem and shampoos in the market haven't been of any help, then these homemade shampoos can do the trick. 1. Body and Bounce Beer Shampoo. Beer is extremely popular as a beauty treatment for hair as it can provide nice bounce, shine and body to your hair. It can even be made with leftover a beer when it becomes stale or flat. Ingredients: 1 cup of beer, flat or fresh. 1 cup basic, inexpensive shampoo. Clean squeeze bottle. How to make: take a small saucepan and heat the beer over medium flame. Boil it till the beer is reduced to 1/4 of its original quantity. Add this beer to the shampoo and shake well. Pour this beer shampoo into a clean squeeze bottle, and it is ready for use. Retha Shikakai Natural Shampoo. Shikakai has been used for ages as a hair cleanser and when translated means fruit for hair. When combined with Retha, it imparts a natural shine to the body while cleaning them most naturally. Hair feels a lot smoother, and the volume of hair increases too. Ingredients: 10 grams of Retha. 10 grams of Shikakai. 5 pieces of amla/orange peel/lemon peel, 750 milliliters of water. In a pan, take all the ingredients and pour water over them. Allow it to soak overnight, about 8 hours. Heat this concoction till it boils, reduces the flame and let it simmer for the next 10 to 15 minutes. If the mix seems thick, add water. Let the mixture cool and then crush the Shikakai, Retha and amla/orange/lemon peels. Strain this mix and pour the shampoo in a squeeze bottle for easy use. Remember, this shampoo has to be made fresh before every use as it can go bad if produced in large quantities. You can freeze it into cubes if you want and use it before you wash your hair. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe, comment and share, and also give us a thumbs up.